Offering an integrated one-floor lifestyle, this totally renovated 3-bedroom condominium in North Providence lets you enjoy the comforts of home and proximity to the city. The superb layout begins with a grand living and dining area, anchored by warm hardwood floors and a welcoming fireplace. A vaulted ceiling and large windows ensure a bright and lively interior. Move into the contemporary kitchen featuring all the amenities of a professional cook space, including a center prep island, sleek stone countertops, and stainless steel appliances. Large sliding glass doors provide walkout access to the spacious rear deck, with steps leading to a lovely backyard for crowd-pleasing outdoor living. Walk back inside to the home's comfortable sleeping quarters. Hardwood floors continue into the comfortable bedrooms, including a primary suite with nature views and an updated ensuite bath, offering a dual sink stone vanity and walk-in shower. Finally, segue downstairs to the finished fireplace lower-level walkout. Doubling your family living space, it features a large third bedroom and a full third bath. Now explore the amenities of North Providence. You'll be less than 10 minutes from downtown for easy morning commutes. Take up local golfing, savor natural splendor at Blackstone Gorge, and look sharp for nights out in the creative capital. Arts and culture come alive in downtown Providence at Trinity Rep, Waterfire, the Providence Performing Arts Center, and a variety of fine dining stretching from the east side to Federal Hill. Reach TF Green Airport in 20 minutes and Boston in about an hour. For more information, please visit the property website or contact Martha LaPierre at area code 401-447-9966.